years ago, I said, one day I go find. When I start to play. How far? Nobody is ugly. We are just broke. When money enter your hand, level go change. I can tell you, I must be tongue. I just like one by. But this one is not my shoe. Where's the other? The shoe wicked, are we? My bloody hot. I tell them they start to play. I tell them they do and whiskey. They start to play. Video the leg again. Zoom in. Oh yeah, everybody, look at your future. Brother, why him? Now me whiskey and Davido and I start this quarry. I tell them say anything where they wear, I go wear. Maybe they buy the original. I know where they decide the fake, not rush me. Oh, Coco, now they say everything what we are here now 4-5. I know they do perfect. We know where they sell them. Packaging and packaging. My blood is hot. My see they look the shoes. They tell her husband, that's a quarrel. That's all. God don't bless me or not be blessed. I feel they do like crazy, so I get money. Because this country, if you not crazy, you not go get money. Normally, when you get money, I don't get. I thought to don't stop this crazy. But not be stop. Because fans, they go say I'm not funny. Don't say, can't see you. I'm not going to look at this. Brother, well done, sir. I watched one of your movies yesterday. I'll be smart, you know. Bros, okay, died for film. Wear polo. At his spirit stand up, he wear native. Not there, so una get boutique for drink. I know when I want kill also. But thank God, though. Movie don't change now. Bros, say why don't come now? Do Merry Men 2. I mean, I don't watch Merry Men Part 2. You see that play when they fight Chinese, where we hear this thing. People mash out. He cost stand on, yeah! Hey, bro, say why? They not play for small at all. All these guys tonight, they like. This year one way they near them. This Williams. They slap on that person, now you they shout. Why you shout? Now you they slap. But that film not die. Everybody blood they hot. Now football matters. This one, this. I know say my guy go hear me for corner. Bro, say why, bro? Salina, Arsenal, they support. Thank God for their life. Some people just talk about football like saying that they get the club. One guy they be support or Coco. Any small thing. When we go sign Ronaldo, when we go, you get money now you there. Because this I don't play. Last year I had though. Last year one guy won't go buy rope. When he want to commit suicide, he won't buy rope. As he reach where they sell like how much? They say rope now 15,200. 15,200. Now the guy has who they sell and say, I get 15,000 now I want that. Not because I don't get money now I want that. Person don't go buy rat boys and say one key rat. How much the rat boys? They say 7.5. The guy just walk out they go. Who they sell that boys to call and say you not buy again? He said the rat not do me anything. What I want killer for 18 rat do me. How much food you want shop for the house? Hey. You love a God to make some noise, my blood is hot. What else? By the way they look me, I don't find have you? Not believe I go find. You love my shoes. I don't blow. This everybody like my shoes. Who I go give now? Like I help people. Oh, yeah, take one leg, take one leg. If I carry myself come here, this one the package will not be here. 5 million naira table. And your yams not hot. Wait, how much are they fine for this life? 5 million. Let's go sit down. 5 million naira. Hey! Oh God. Pay me 2 million. Because it's hard now. 2 million. How they come your house? They got crack to give you every morning and evening. 2 million. For 1 month. Oh. Now people sit down. 5 million. This money, I must get them. I not go thief, I go get them. This is my talent. You never reach this one. I don't get, but I don't get to buy table 5 million. I want it one. Table 5 million. As I go, a coach go follow me, go.
It's in the door.